So right now I'm just going to do a quick everyday makeup. Okay, let's get started because I gotta go. So I just fill the little sparse hairs that I see in.
I don't go all the way to the front either.
And on the top, I make a line. Well, not line. I just do the same thing that I just said on the top. Instead of using the spoolie, I just use the gel. Kills two birds with one stone. And this is Great Lash. Then since it's like an everyday look, I use a color close to my skin tone, if not darker, because I'm pale. I'm looking at myself and I'm pale. And I just use my normal eyebrow flat brush and I just carve them out. Alright. My appointment is so soon. I'm just gonna use a big brush so it's faster. This is just a e.l.f. concealer brush, I think. It's just a big fluffy brush. Fluffy. Okay, and then what do I do next? Oh, then I set my eyebrows again with this model in a bottle. Model in a bottle. And it just, I don't know. I just like it. It's basically like eyebrow gel, but it's sealant gel. It's almost gone. Actually, it's basically gone. I just got sad. Anyways, onto my face. I'm gonna prime it. Prime. You need primer. I use the Fenty Beauty one because it's mattifying and I have oily skin. Except, actually I have combination skin, but I get really oily right here. So I put it all right here. And then I put it a little bit on my forehead. So I'm just going to take a little tiny bit foundation. Let's see. Here. Oh, I'm over here trying to stare. So like literally that much. Like you don't want a lot. You don't. And use a brush, a flat brush or whatever brush you use, just to spread it around.
I really just put it on. Like you can totally skip this step.
I feel like my skin looks a lot more even when I do this, because you can barely really tell. Truly. Like the cameras already make my skin seem even, but now in real life it's even, and I can blend my eyebrows. Okay, for concealer, I just take my normal concealer, Shape Tape. I could do an affordable makeup one if you guys want, because I do have a lot of affordable. Like that Fit Me was affordable. That's my favorite foundation. I used to love the MAC one, but whenever I was in college I was poor. I couldn't get it, so. I'm going to cover my dark spots. I actually put a little bit too much, but I just won't dip it in again. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend it all out, basically. And you just blend. I think the problem with some people having issues with their makeup is just they just don't spend enough time on it. So they just want the look that all these people have, and then they don't put the work in. I look pale, but I'm really not. Actually, I am. Okay. I have to smooth my creases out with my finger on my under eye, because I don't know, it just hates me. Then I'm gonna use my banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and then I'm gonna take this square and just set. And I'm just gonna add some color back into my face. This is my Hoola bronzer. With my powder, I'm going to take the rest of it from my spongy and just clean it up. even though it's not a full coverage look, I still clean it up because I have a fat face. You can skip this part, but I like to contour my nose. All I do is get the Bahama Mama and just make these lines, and then I just blend them out. This is what the brush looks like. I'm gonna take my blending brush and just wipe it all the way. Oh, not that part yet. My foundation powder. I like to get it just because the nose contour part, to blend it out a little bit more. And blend right here too. Blend, 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 blendy blend. So the blush I put on first, I just put it on my cheekies and I drag it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my drugstore highlights. These are my favorite ones. This one is the Wet n Wild in Precious Petals, and this one is the Maybelline Chrome. Yeah. So I put the chrome on first, and then I take the Wet n Wild one. I put it on top. Oh wait, I didn't spray my face. So I'm going to spray my face with Fix Plus. I'm going to put on a primer to make them my eyelashes. Okay, let me start over. Dang. I'm putting on mascara. I'm putting on mascara primer. Dang. Because my eyelashes are struggling because I like to pull them out because I'm lazy.
And I don't wash it out good. Wow, I really did this in 10 minutes. I'm so proud of myself.
Since my face isn't already dry, I'm going to put my lips on. I just wear lip liner and lip gloss on my everyday. This is Nude Truffle and this one is Nude Pink. And I put Nude Truffle on the outside and Nude Pink on the inside. Those are my lips. Okay, now I can put my highlighter on. Nope.
Ooh, why am I breaking out?
Okay, I feel like I look fine. I just can't move, right? I don't know. So I'm going to take the Precious Petals and put it right on top. And I don't really... The reason I use these is because they're more subtle than my other highlights. It's subtle to me. I do the same thing. I go through all the same like face steps basically. It's just a little bit more everyday-ish. So I'm not going to just leave that. I'm going to blend it, of course. And then I'm going to put a little on my nose, blend it. On a normal day, I really don't blend it. Well, not a normal day, but going out. And then on my lip, I'm going to put lip gloss over it, so it's okay. And then my inner corner. And then my eyebrow. Oh, my favorite. Ooh. It just gives it so much definition. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. And the last step is to set my face, of course. Oh wait, there's 3 last steps. So I'm going to put, so I'm just going to put my mascara on. And then the last thing, this is the last step. I just put on clear lip gloss. My favorite step. I love lip gloss.
But it helps me, so hopefully it'll help you, you know? And then this. I have a shirt on, by the way.
So this is my everyday look. I of course need to refix my hair because that clip. But that legit took, okay, it took like 20 minutes, but I was explaining and I was talking. So yeah, it'll take like 15 15 minutes-ish, depending how long you spend on your eyebrows. I think that always controls my factors. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed. If you have any questions, let me know on Snapchat or down in the comments, and that's pretty much it. I did my hair different also, so if you want to check out that video, I will link it down because I'll probably post it before this one. Yeah. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.